Hey guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing some stuff, but so the funny thing is, I'll explain that. So the funny thing is, I originally recorded this on my phone, but unfortunately I run out of storage on my phone, so now I'm recording with my iPad, and it's really ridiculous, but I have to do what I have to do. So I'm gonna show you what I previously got. There's so many alarms I haven't fully unboxed because I got into the hobby, like back into the hobby last year. I've been in the hobby for over 6 years now. Well, I'd say 7, but it's whatever. So, previously got this, recently MT12 WM. Wait, what's the model number? WH. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I believe, from what I've heard, this was from a nurse call system, which is pretty cool. I might test this out eventually. And I have the Holy Grail American Time and Signal Corporation RSGT bar, which is pretty cool. I'm really glad I got one of these for a good price. So yeah. And my high school had 2 of these until they replaced the system just recently. So yeah, that'll be a video in the future. But so we're gonna do like a minor quick unboxing, I guess, because unfortunately I run out of storage on my phone, so I can't go back and edit that. I don't feel like editing that clip back in. It's better if I do it like this. So we're gonna start with this. And this device is somewhat rare. I don't know how rare it is, but it is pretty rare from what I've heard. So yeah, let's unbox it. I promise it's gonna be a lot better because obviously I've already unboxed it technically, so yeah. You do not need to see my address. Fuck that. Alright. And as you can see, Edwards G1R-HDVM. I'll show you what it looks like. And yeah. Take the cover off. This is actually a lot cooler than I thought it was. Honestly, I'm actually glad I got this. Originally I thought, so I got this for like $45 to $50 on eBay, because a lot of people were looking at this and saying, oh, it's a rare alarm, I should get this. Well, yeah, I'm not mocking anybody per se, I'm just saying. So, this device is somewhat rare, from what I've heard. And, yeah, so it's pretty cool. I'm glad I got it. It looks a lot cooler than I thought, which is impressive, but yeah, so I might test it in a future video, obviously for shorts, because why not, but yeah, it's a pretty cool device. So yeah, you know what, screw it, set that aside. I'm gonna take this out, and yeah, as you can see, this is the one I've also already unboxed, but it's a new old stock Simplex 4903. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm struggling because I'm recording with my iPad, so it's a lot harder. Simplex 4903 9236. I already have a lot of these, but this is special. I'd say more special because obviously it's new, brand new. And yeah, so this is what it looks like, brand new condition, and it has the jumpers intact too, so that's also pretty cool. We're gonna set that aside as well, and here we have the manual and stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to make this video as quick as possible because I don't know how long this will last, but yeah. So here's the Simplex manual. Let me put this down real quick. Right. It's really awkward, I'm sorry. I can't really do much about it. But as you can see, here's the original manual for installation instructions. It's pretty cool, honestly. I mean, Yeah, it's just a manual, but yeah, here's, if you wanted to see, if you were genuinely curious, and they have all the models on here. Well, not all of them, but just the brief overview. Also, I believe these were made for retrofit purposes, but I'm not entirely sure, so let me know if that's true or not. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We're gonna set that aside. And we're gonna unbox this. Well, yeah, why not? And this, I believe, is just mounting equipment. It was up for a really good price, so I decided, why not get it, just because. So, yeah, let me get it. This is really, I know it's really weird, but yeah, there we go. Come on. A lot of mounting equipment in here. It's pretty cool. I'm sorry guys, this is really difficult. Alright. Let's see what we got in this goodie. We have a Edwards back box for the A92, which is pretty interesting. It's meant for the A92 series, well, 89X series for the Edwards line. Simplex adapter plate. I might get a Simplex back box for my 4903 series in the future, so it's good that I got these. These are for a really good price too. They're only for like $25 each. Here's another mounting plate. Another Edwards back box. And I believe that's it. So, yeah. Very glad I got these, because obviously, you know, so we're going to leave that to the side yet again. And we're going to open this box. These are going to be used for the future, but these were for a really good price, so I decided to buy 2 of these. So you'll find out what they are. Hold on. Yeah, this is, I know, it's really weird. Once you pat it down a bit, it's a lot easier to open, but so you can see I'm kind of struggling here, but it's whatever. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna need to get more. Perfect, okay. I'm gonna set this down. You'll find out what I'm about to get. Alright. Whoa, that hurt. I'm alright though. Ta-da! We got the 2 Eaton, what's the model number? My camera will focus. LSPS TWs. These are very cool. I haven't really thought about these until these were actually some of the alarms that got me interested in the community. So I'm very happy that, yeah. I'm very happy that I bought 2 of these for a really good price, so I gotta be really careful here. I've got 2 of these in new condition for install that I'm gonna do in the future, but as you can see, let's continue to unbox this. Come on. Eaton back box. screws, manual. I'll deal with that another day. And as you can see, we have the LSPSW. Also, this is the plastic cover for it, just in case. So yeah, I'm glad I own these now, and these will be going in future videos. So yeah, well, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and yeah, that's about it. But hope to do more videos in the future, because obviously I haven't done this in a while. But yeah, so thank you, have a good day.